I wanted to clear up any confusion over what it is you're publishing and how to share that link, things like that. So make sure that you have opened your Google Drive through the school. And then when you are looking at the ePortfolio presentation in screencast mode, in presentation mode, you can click on the link that says template, and it will force a copy. And when you click use template, it is making a copy into your drive. So now this is yours. So now you can change the name of it. Let's just say we'll change it to student. Okay. And then when you click publish, it'll ask you to give it a site name. My suggestion would be your last name or your first and last name. So let's call it Student A. So now the site is published. Okay, so you can copy the published site link. So again, let me take my mouse up here and up in the top right, copy the published site link. So you will copy that link. So you can see it says Sites, Google, you can see the GCPS K-12, and you can see the name I gave it, Student A. So give it your own unique name, of course, school appropriate. But then you copy that link, and that is the link you will submit. You don't want to submit the link to what you're working on, because then I'm just seeing the site in progress. I'm not seeing the published site. Okay, after you've copied the link and you are back now to the ePortfolio presentation, there is a link on there for a Google form. And this is where you'd put in your last name, your first name, choose your teacher, and you put the link to the published site. Okay, so if you've copied that published site link, this is where you'll submit it. I hope that helps.